Now I am about to pull Camille on my second account. If you have Camille on my second account, my first account will be dead, and so are you. Oh. Please, second account, you will do this. Please do not give him those three. I mean, just 1 6 star. Please, ayaw si Camille sa second account. Ayaw ko. Ayaw pag 6 star. Ayaw pag Camille. Ayaw pag Camille kay ibang mamatay sa first. Ha. Stop na de! Ano mo akiko eh ah. How many sizes do I got one video? 6. Oh my god. Sino? Fuck you, second account. Fuck you. Now he has Camille and I don't. This is why I want second account to be lucky as well. No, Fangye first 10 polls sa akong main and then I got lucky. You open the second account, have Camille and first 10. So my main account will be broken if I do. They will broken. So wala pa ka na akong second account na mayroon naman si Camille. So second account will be one of the best things. I don't own it. Oh, don't do this to my second account. Be the local this man. If you be the luckiest patay ka. Yes, I'm rainbow. Just give him yellow. Oh, I'm about to cry on, baby boys, come on. Oh no! Boy, enough second account, enough, no. I said enough. Oh, I'm coming and blessing, lost those come, Major po! Oh, Oblivion, okay fine, that's it, I'm done. Oblivion's good for Pelican naman na web. Still you have the blessing lost those coming and I don't have okay na kita yun naman. Well, first account eh. And so are you na naman JB. Oh, enough na this on Apple singing I'm Kyle and I am the unluckiest person.